Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 16th, 2021. Fetch.ai. Let's go ahead and talk about this cryptocurrency real quick. You guys can see from our chart, we did a price prediction. We told you all to be prepared for the market in Fetch.ai to go up and take a look at the price today. It is nearing that $1 threshold. We're going to talk about where the market's going to go next in Fetch so that we can continue to be in position and win in the market. So if you guys want to join us, make sure you hit us up, join the team, join the community, join the family, so that you guys will make sure that you stay updated on our price predictions, and as well as so that you can learn this for yourself. You want to be able to walk amongst the market by yourself so that you can see the signs as to, okay, maybe I need to make a left turn here, or maybe I need to make a right turn there because I'm seeing some changes occur on the price chart. And guess what? We have that ability to help you out. So make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel to ensure that you stay updated and that you learn as much as possible, because there's a lot of confusion out there in regards to technical analysis and technical indicators, to which we don't use none of that. We just simply look at the price and the volume to tell you all what we're expecting the market to do. So look, August the 19th or August the 17th was the last time we did a price prediction. So I want to zoom in and I want to show you all what has price done since our video of August the 17th. And we played a strength into the market, right? Simple. We told you that the area of restriction was going to come in around 58 cents, 59 cents. And look how many days the market in Fetch held that area as restriction. Look how many days it took for the market to actually finally break out of that restriction line. We told you all that to be prepared for the market to get rejected right there around 59 cents. It took them what, 7-8 trading days before the market actually broke outside of that. That should have told you already to expect the price to continue to go up. And not only did it go up, the price in Fetch went all the way up here as a high September the 8th at $1.19. That is a whopping 131% probability right there from August the 17th, literally almost a month, a little bit less. You could have got 131% out the market without even being confused. That's great. That's fantastic. Now, if you wanted to get out today, 85.5%. So whether you're at 85.5% or even our 13.3, I want to say congratulations to you, because you don't get a lot of congratulatory wording or expressions out here in the market, right? So if you're on our team, you're part of our family, I want to congratulate you for seeing that, for being in position and capitalizing on that price move. Wonderful job. Excellent call. So now let me get rid of this, because we want to see the price prediction for Fetch.ai. We want to see, can this market price still go up? And the answer, yeah, it can still go up. I want you to see this. As long as this price in Fetch continues to trade alongside this ascending line, we already know where we're going to go. There's no problems about it. We will always go up in price so long as price stays to the left side of that ascending line. Now, in regards to where price is right now, would you want to come into the market and buy here, or would you wait until the price comes down to this ascending line, right? Would you rather buy here at 95 cents, or would you rather buy it around 80? Because you buy it around 80 cents, that's the cheapest that you can buy the market price for Fetch, with the understanding that the market will still go up because it's been following that trend. Now you can also see something else. Look at this. The market has actually broke outside of that long-term trend. Take a look at that. We've seen the market in Fetch actually get overextended in its strength from the trend. So we have two trends going on. We have one that started all the way back in July, and then we have another one that started on August the 27th. Now, obviously, which one would you rather be dependent on in terms of allowing the price to go up? Right, this longer term trend, because this stronger slope, this radius here on this closest ascending line, has the higher probability of breaking and the market going down, because the market is not going to stay up that strong in Fetch.ai. We just got to come to the realization and understand that. So I'm not going to be dependent on this current trend that the market in Fetch.ai is currently going through. I'm not. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. So we want to see, are we still getting strength into the market in Fetch.ai? Because this whole glob of trading right here has literally been the market selling, has literally been people trying to take profit in Fetch.ai. How do I know? Because look at this volume. This volume here tells us everything we need to know in relation to the last couple of trading days, that the people have been selling. Now, were you selling? Have you been selling? Or what is your plan? What are you expecting the market to do? If you look at the market in Fetch.ai on the 3-day time frame, you guys can still see here that generally, yeah, the market is still healthy, but look at where we're at. The market price in Fetch.ai is trading around all-time highs. Now, I'll be one of the staunch advocates to tell you that you need to be real careful when the market is trading in unfamiliar territory, because the market drops faster than it does going up. So when the market drops in Fetch.ai, it's going to be very quick and swift, and it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. You expect that, especially when you see the market trading in all-time highs. So let's see what's going on the 2-day. Because you guys can see here that, yeah, the market here in Fetch is able to maintain the strength right now, which is very positive to see. But we are becoming overextended, seeing how the market is trading up here near all-time highs, right? And don't forget, I want you all to see this. Look at what happened on this last completed 5-day price bar right here. Okay, when you look at that 5-day price bar in combination with what the volume came in as, there was a lot of selling going on. Now currently there's still a market up here to where people are willing to buy Fetch.ai. Now, am I one of those individuals? No, I'm definitely not, based off what I'm seeing on the 5-day time frame, even here on the weekly, right? Let's see the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame right here in Fetch.ai. I mean, look at it. Massive volume, very widespread, and we even saw the market in Fetch.ai close off the highs last week. So like I'm telling you, if anything we want to learn from this price chart today is that there has been a lot of selling going on. Now currently there's enough interest or demand that people are willing to buy it, but is it going to last? That's one thing we need to be. We need to be forecasters as to, okay, can this be maintained in Fetch.ai? Right now, it's to be determined, right? So let's look at this from an hourly perspective, okay? Because you can see here on the hourly time frame that we are noticing that the area of restriction is coming through, and it is still being obeyed on the 1-hour time frame. Literally the restriction area is right there around $1, maybe $1.04, $1.05. We are noticing that this is where the restriction area is coming in at in Fetch.ai. Now, if we're able to see the price, break to the upside of $1.05, $1 and a nickel, yeah, the strength is definitely still intact, right? You would expect us to see higher price movement for this currency. This is the 3-hour time frame. So let's see what's going on into the market in Fetch.ai on the 3-hour. So what I'm actually getting, I'm not getting a lot of bullishness. I mean, the market is just doing this. We're just consolidating. And when the market consolidates, trading at all-time high vicinity, that pretty much resembles that the market is selling, or we can maintain this consolidation of trading until we're ready for the breakout to the upside. Either or. Now currently, I'm not extremely bullish into the market in Fetch.ai, not yet. I will become that though once the price breaks up above $1 and a nickel, and so far we're not necessarily seeing that yet. Okay, 9-hour time frame, you can still see that here too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to play some of this weakness into the market in Fetch.ai. There is definitely a lot of demand and interest coming into the market, though. I find that very surprising that people are still willing to buy this particular currency at all-time high prices. That just simply lets me know that people are looking for the market to continue to go up, right? This is what this resembles. When you see a lot of weakness come in on the chart and price is not going down, I mean, a lot of the market is still expecting the price to go up. But I just wish that the price would have already broken above $1 and a nickel, right? So let me take us back over to the daily. Okay, we're going to go ahead and play the weakness into the market. Okay. Now, I'm not going to be extremely weak. I'm not going to come in and tell you that the market's going to crash. I'm just simply telling you that I'm prepared for the market in Fetch.ai to go down just slightly. I mean, we still got this net right here, this ascending line to prop up the price, if anything, to see the market go down in Fetch.ai. Now, we've seen a couple of days to where all of this here, the market is trying to hold support around 90 to 85 cents. We need to make sure we grab some profits there though, because that area can literally prop up the market right there around 89 cents, 90 cents. That's 7.5% right there, right? Now the restriction area, you guys saw it on the 1 hour time frames around $1 and a nickel, but I'm going to bring it up there to the high right here that came in on September the 7th of about $1.10, $1.12, okay? Extend this out a little bit further. And the second area of TP, we got 90 cents first as the area of TP, meaning to take profit. Second area is 85 cents. And then the third area is going to be right there around 78, 79 cents. Just that easy, just that simple. So hopefully you guys can now see our updated price prediction into the market in Fetch.ai. I'm here to tell you right now, out from the gate, that the demand is able to uphold to the weakness, meaning that there is still interest here. So be prepared to allow this market to go up. That's why I wanted to identify $1 and a nickel to $1.12 as those areas of restriction. As long as price ultimately in Fetch.ai don't break above $1.12, the expectation will be for us to do this. It will be for us to consolidate and then eventually come down to our profit areas. That's it. Okay, this is our newest expectations. Now, this is what I'm looking forward to. Now, you have your own mind, you have your own price chart. What are you noticing on the price chart at Fetch.ai? I mean, are you expecting the same thing, or are you seeing something totally different that I didn't address on the chart? You're part of our team now, so hit me up. Let's collaborate. Let's talk. Let's see what's actually going on the price chart from your perspective, and what is your price prediction? Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.